So the next box arrived, and today I want to have a look at a Lavalier microphone. It's the BOYA from BOYA. Okay, a very short notice how to use it. It has two modes. One is for a setting for camera and one for smartphone, and it just means that you can switch the phantom power on and off. It has a quite long cable and an adapter for 6.3 millimeter and a standard plug for 3.5 millimeter. A windshield. Let's put this on. Something like that, I guess. And a clip. Okay, it's not that easy to operate, so that means it might be a tight fit if you clip it on your shirt or your whatever. I appreciate the very long cable. This is just a cable up to the power supply, and this whole cable you can use to connect to your phone, your camera or your PC. Let's put in the battery, which is included, plus on this side. Oops. And send it to camera. Now, how does it sound? Currently it's attached to the PC, and I'm in Audacity, and currently the volume is bumped up to 0.9. So hopefully it won't pick up a lot of noise, and yeah, my PC is running. It's not really that quiet here. Hopefully it should only pick my voice. Let me do just some typing test here. Yeah, sounds good. The setting, of course, is to camera at the moment. If I switch it off, I'm and with the camera setting, back to perfect. Listening to the recording, I can say that it's doing a quite good job. It's picking up my voice while cancelling out a lot of noise in the background. I always wanted to have a lavalier microphone because it gives you a lot of freedom, because it can move around, and it shouldn't affect the voice recording, the volume, and it could well be that this will be my next preferred microphone for these videos. Apropos, I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.